In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Calendly event private, turning it into a secret that only those with access will be able to see or book. If you frequently use Calendly to organize meetings, understanding how to manage your event visibility is crucial for maintaining privacy and control. So, let's dive right in and explore each step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Calendly homepage. This is your central hub where all your events are listed. Familiarizing yourself with this space is essential, as it holds all the events you've created. Once there, take a moment to identify the event you want to make private. It's crucial that you select the correct event, so double-check to ensure you've got the right one. Now, once you've located your event, look for a small icon that consists of 3 dots typically found next to each event listing. Clicking on these dots will reveal a menu with a few options. You'll want to select Edit from this menu. This is where the magic happens, as you will now be in the editing mode for your chosen event. When you enter this editing space, a pop-up should appear on the right side of your screen. Don't worry if nothing happens instantly. It may take a moment to load. Once you see this pop-up, you'll want to direct your attention to another set of 3 dots that should be located next to the name of the event. It's sometimes easy to overlook, so keep an eye out for it. By clicking these 3 dots, you'll continue on your path to making the event secret. The next step is straightforward but crucial. You'll see an option labeled Make Secret. Go ahead and click on this. It's as simple as it sounds. Once clicked, your event will transform into a private, hidden meeting that can't be seen or accessed publicly. As a final step, don't forget to click on Save Changes. This is vital, as any adjustments you've made won't take effect until you've saved them. It's a simple step, yet so important to ensure your changes are set in stone. And there you have it. You've successfully made your Calendly event private, keeping it accessible only to those whom you choose to invite or inform. Implementing these steps will help maintain your privacy and streamline the organization of your engagements. If you wish to explore additional features, Calendly offers a variety of tools designed to enhance your scheduling experience. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this guide was helpful in mastering your Calendly settings.